Good afternoon, friends. Myself is Rohit Amal Kokate, and today's technical topic is Introduction to the Pharmacovigilance. So, the WHO is established a program for the international drugs monitoring response to the disaster detecting in 1961. So, the pharmacovigilance is made up of two words, that is a pharmacon and second is the vigilance. So, the pharmacon is meaning that is the drug or medicine, and vigilance means to keep their watch is equal to the pharmacovigilance. So the pharmacovigilance definition of the pharmacovigilance derived by the WHO, that is the science and the activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, preventions of a adverse event and any drug related problem, that is the pharmacovigilance. So the pharmacovigilance, there are the various tragedy, are occurs in the various nations. So the pharmacovigilance, so what is the, that is the four term, that is the detection, assessment, understanding and the prevention. So the detection means in the case of the clinical trials, investigator or a case of a post him trials, it's either the physicians or the prescriber patients himself who reports the adverse events of a new drug related problem. And assessment is the investigator or the healthcare professional should be assessing if the adverse event or the drug related problem due to the some other reason. What is the understanding? The understanding is the receptors and the safety specialty is involved in understanding the adverse event, and prevention means preventing the drug. So there are the first is the disaster, that is the thalidomide disaster. In the late of 1950s and early 1960s, the use of thalidomide in 46 countries by a woman who were pregnant or who were subsequently become a pregnant, resulting in the biggest man-made medical disaster ever, resulting in the more than 1000 children born with the range of some defectives. So the pharmacovigilance in India, the aim of the pharmacovigilance is improve the patient care and the safety. Second, the improve of the public health and the safety, promote the educations and unknown safety problems. Then detection of a increasing in frequency of the known adverse reactions. Then identifications of the risk factors and possible mechanism understanding the adverse drug reaction. What is the objective of PV? That is the patient care, public health, risk benefit assessment and communication. So the objective of the pharmacovigilance is reduce the frequency and severity of the adverse effect of the drug while maintaining or the better improving the efficacy. The quality of the drug more particularly depend on the pharmaceutical industries and the authority responsible for the approval on the market and their withdrawal. Why the pharmacovigilance is important? For the side use of the medicine, ADR expensive, then expiring the public detection. So the safe use of the medication are supported to save the lives. So why need of the pharmacovigilance? So the humanitarian concerns, ADR may cause the sudden death, promoting the rational use of medicines and their adherence and etc. Outcome of the drugs, that is the indication, medication is insert unaffordable and unintended effects and in the normal dose or not medication. So any informations on the ADR, lack of efficacy connected with the use of the medical devices and drug products on ADR occurring in the occurs of the use of the drug, from the drug overdose, from the drug abuse, from the drug withdrawal and infant of the nursing mother. What should be reported for the new drug? All suspected reaction, including the minor or the mild in the severity adverse event, should be reported. For established or well-known drugs or the serious unaccepted unusual ADRs, if there is a change in the frequency of the given reaction, that is increasing the frequency of the event or vomiting the particular drug. The ADR is associated with the new drug withdrawal. The ADR due to the medication error, ADR due to the lack of efficacy of the suspected pharmacovigilance defected. For example, the drug was showing the effect, but suddenly the new batch of the drug is efficacy. Overviews of ICSR processing, reactions of the reporting of the case, then validation and the duplication check, then logging of the case, triage, data entry, quality review, medical review, case closure, and other etc. So who will report the adverse reactions? The adverse event can be reported by a physician, hospitals, pharmaceutical manufacturers, through the medical representative, etc., and the pharmacist, and also the nurse. Okay, not only the patient but also the friends, relatives, etc. can be report the adverse reaction. In a short, anybody, either of the person consuming the drug or a person knowing the patients or observing the event, can reporting the adverse reaction. That is all about the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.